Have you ever wondered what the future of food might look like? Imagine, instead of cooking, you could print your dinner. Welcome to the world of 3D food printing. This isn't science fiction anymore. 3D food printing is a revolutionary technology that uses digital models to create three-dimensional edible objects. With a simple press of a button, the printer layers ingredients to create a variety of dishes. But what does this mean for our future? For starters, it brings a whole new level of customization. Whether you want a low-carb pizza or a vegan steak, it's all possible with 3D food printing. And it's not just about personal preferences. This technology can help reduce food waste by using only the exact amount of ingredients needed. Plus, it allows for the creation of intricate designs that are hard to achieve by hand. So the question is, are you ready to print your dinner? 3D food printing, as futuristic as it sounds, is a reality today. Picture this, a printer, but instead of ink, it uses edible materials, creating food layer by layer, like an artist working on a masterpiece. This is the core of 3D food printing technology. So, how does it work? The process begins with the ingredients. These are prepared and loaded into the printer's cartridges, much like ink in a traditional printer. The ingredients are typically pureed or liquefied to allow for precise layering. The printer then follows a digital blueprint or recipe which dictates the shape and arrangement of these layers. These blueprints can be created using 3D modeling software, allowing for an extreme level of customization. Want a pizza shaped like the Eiffel Tower? No problem. How about a birthday cake with your face on it? Easy. But the implications of this technology go beyond just novelty and customization. Consider personalized nutrition. With 3D food printing, we can tailor meals to meet an individual's dietary needs. For instance, a meal could be custom designed to contain a specific amount of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, or even to include certain vitamins